So far, you have used several applications in the Google Suite to plan your event. You use documents to arrange lots of text, while spreadsheets help you organize data into columns and lists. Image editing software like Google Drawings allows you to create a project with lots of graphics. Google Sites is another application that you can use to collaborate and communicate with others. In this activity, you use Google Sites to design an interactive website to share information about your events. Your website will integrate materials you created in other applications into one location. Then, you will share your site digitally so that others can search for your event from their computer, phone, or tablet. To start, create a new site. From Google Drive, select New and Google Sites. You may need to look under the More menu. Name your site after your event. This example uses Community Yard Sale. Next, add a title. Finally, change the background image. Click in the header, select an image from the gallery, upload a new image, or search the internet for an image. Once you've added an image to the header, move on to the next video to add your logo. Now, it's your turn. Go to Google Drive and create a new Google Site. Name your site, add a title, and change the background image. Then, move on to the next video.